unbox a mystery slime with me. Not sure how to open this, so I might just use scissors because it's the easiest way. I've got one of these like once before. I got it from like my school because I like won something. But anyway, so there we go. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. It's not opening. How do I open this? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's like a blue slime with foam beads and a monkey noodle. This isn't part of the slime, but anyway. I don't know if I'll put the foam beads in. I might save these for like my other slime because this slime's not that big. So I'm going to open this slime and hopefully it's good. I didn't even look at the options before I opened it. I was just so excited. I just ripped it open. I was like, hey, yeah. So, oh, that actually feels really good because I love butter slime. It's like my favourite slime. So it's not opening properly. It's really annoying. If you didn't see my other slime unboxing, I got a lot of slime. So, yeah. But this is like good slime. It's not like stretchy. It's like more for like squishing. I like trying, because it just goes like that. But like, it's sort of like putty or like a dough, but can I put a noodle on it? Don't think it'll work, but I think it'll just make it. Oh my gosh. Don't think I should have done that. But how do I get out? Oops. Whoops. Let me just do this. Try and pull it off. I got some of it off. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.